Okay, so we're focused on hanging the wall art or wall accent pieces. So one thing I didn't like is I didn't like how it was hanging at an angle because this one's flush against the wall. So what I did was I made these strips and put them on there. And that also helps this stay flat because otherwise this thing would bend really easy, although it shouldn't anyways when it's hanging. So I made these two strips, and now when we hang it on, it hangs parallel to the wall. So just for the heck of it, we tried the two pieces I just made today. I didn't oil the strips on the back, so we can hang them. Had we oiled them, I wouldn't want to hang them yet because then they would kind of tarnish the wall a little bit of yellow and stick. But I didn't oil this part right here. So it's the same idea. I put the strips on, got the hanger, and we're kind of debating right now, do we leave the little ones up here? Or do we go with the larger one? Which is a little tricky to get in there, but there it goes. Or do we even do one and one? But anyways, that's the cool thing about art. You can move it around the way you'd like it. Now the other thing I did do is when I hung the first one, for some reason at that point in time I thought, well, I have this much space, I should center it. But then I was looking at it later and I didn't like that because then it made me feel like they were separate pieces of art, which they are, but I really wanted them to work together. So I ended up moving this over 2 inches, which is why I got this little hole here I need to fill in. But I'll take care of that. That'll be really easy to fill in, and it'll disappear then. But if I would have went with this, I mean, I think it just brings them together when you have them a little bit closer to the piece. So that was my other change I made. So let me, I'll take this one down. We'll just see what it looks like with the two bigger ones. So there it is with the two larger ones, accent pieces. Now we do have a larger picture in this room, so we may decide to move these two next to the larger oil painting, which Amy did, and then leave the little ones here. Or who knows, I might be making more. Well, I'm sure I'll be making more. So, but that just goes to show you how you can move things around and what they look like. And I really like them, and the granite and the wood is really a cool concept I never tried before, and I really like it.